Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of descriptive adjectives. Before knowing descriptive adjectives, you have to know what is adjective. Adjective, the description of adjective is words that modify nouns and pronouns by using specific qualities to describe them. That means noun and pronouns. So, adjective means when we define a noun or pronoun for its qualities, it is called adjective. Now, descriptive adjectives. Words that describe qualities of a noun or pronoun such as smell, taste, texture, appearance and shape. For example, Ritu's room has big square windows. In this sentence, if you ask how is the windows, you will find it's square. That means we are defining the shape or describing the shape of the windows. And again, if you ask how is the windows, you will find, or how the size of the windows, you will find big. That means big size. So, size, shape and others are described by descriptive adjectives. So, you have to know the rules of these adjectives. First one, we have to place the adjectives before the nouns. For example, a pretty doll. Here, pretty is adjective and doll is noun. And we use adjective before the noun. So, if you ask how is the doll, you will find the answer pretty doll or ugly doll. However, number 2, we can also place the adjective after the verb. For example, the doll is pretty. Here, look, verb is and adjective is pretty. Next example, the pen is expensive. Here, is verb and expensive is adjective. Number 3, descriptive adjectives tell us more about the size. Size can be big or large, shape, square or round, color, red, pink, yellow, anyone, and quality will be pretty, soft, ugly, beautiful, what one of a noun. Now we'll do some exercise. Complete these sentences with adjectives from the box. Students, in your exam, you will find some words in a box and you have to fill the gaps with these words. Number 1, my friends enjoyed the dash pudding that my sister and I made. So, you have to select a word from the box and have to write here. What can be the word? My friends enjoyed the dash pudding. It will be tasty pudding. Tasty pudding. My friends enjoyed the tasty pudding that my sister and I made. Number 2, the elephant is a dash animal. Yellow, angry, strong, muddy. Which one? It's strong. Strong animal. The elephant is a strong animal. Number 3, the dash bull charged at the van. Angry bull. The angry bull. A-N-G-R-Y. The angry bull. Number 4, clean your shoes. They are dash. They are which one? Yellow or muddy? They are muddy. So, clean your shoes, they are muddy. Number 5, our school bus is dash. Here only one left, so it will be yellow. Our school bus is yellow. Now we'll do other exercises. Complete these sentences with suitable adjectives. Number 1, the dash book had dash pictures in it. We can use colorful, the colorful book. The colorful book had dash pictures. We have to use adjective and we can use beautiful pictures. Beautiful pictures in it. The sentence will be the colorful book and beautiful pictures in it. Number 2, the princess wore a dash dress. It's about dress, so you can write nice. The princess wore a nice dress. Number 3, we got lost in the dash forest. We can say deep forest. Deep or dark, anyone. We got lost in the deep forest. Number 4, the dress had dash buttons. So you can write here yellow, red, anyone. I am writing here red. The dress had red buttons. This is adjective, so you can write anyone, any color. Number 5, my parents cooked a dash lunch for us. This is about food, so we say delicious food. My parents cooked a delicious lunch for us. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. My parents cooked a delicious lunch for us. Students, I am giving you homework. SW exercise 2. Exercise 2 will be your homework. Do it in your SW copy and submit on Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.